Hey friends, it's Marion from MarionLoveNotes.com, and today I thought I'd do a little impromptu video. We're actually having my mother-in-law come stay with us for a couple weeks. So I kind of just really did a deep clean in our guest room and just used what we had. Didn't really, I think the most I spent in this room was like $10. So I just wanted to clean it up and make it easy for her to move around and have a comfortable stay. This is our fireplace that we have in our guest room. So let me show you guys around and just show you what I did, and hopefully you can get some tips and tricks for when you have guests come and stay over in your house. So we're gonna do a pan around, and this is just how the room looks when it's dark. In here with no light on. So you see we have diffusers going. I have mint going. I love the smell of fresh mint. It just has such a, I don't know, it smells so good to me. And then over here we have a salt lamp. I'll bring you guys in a little closer so you can see the salt lamp there. And then pan around, and you guys can see we have the fireplace right there. So I'm gonna turn the light on so you can see what it looks like with the light on. But this is just how it looks. I always like to set the mood in my guest room, so when they come at night or right before I know they get ready to go to bed, I come in here, I turn the lights on, I talk, turn all this stuff on, put fresh oils in, and it just really sets the mood for everybody, I feel like. Okay, so as you can see, it's a pretty small room. It's not fancy at all. A lot of the stuff we've had from our previous apartments that we just kind of stayed with us, and I just didn't really have the income right now to really buy really nice side dressers or anything, but I wanted to make the room comfortable for her, so I just kind of scrambled around the house and found stuff like in the garage and cleaned things off, dust stuff off, and brought in here to make it just a little homey. And hopefully this encourages you to do the same thing in your own homes. We only have one guest room, so we want to make sure to make it work and make it as comfortable as possible. So this is a full-size bed. This bed came from Ashley's Furniture, and so that the mattress is one of those mattresses where it's like rolled up really tight, and when it pops open and inflates up. I don't remember the exact brand of it. The bedding came from At Home. I love this bedding, and if you watch my vlogs, you know this actually used to be in our room, but Ken kind of got tired looking at pink, I guess, so it's in here, but I think it works great for her. These rugs were actually in our old bathroom, but it actually kind of matches, and I think it looks really cute together. Since we're already right here, I have this lamp for like a reading lamp. And in this basket, I got this idea. I forgot her channel name, but I think it's like a cottage home. I can't remember her channel. I'll put the video down below, but she did a guest room video, and she had a basket with books, and I thought that was such a lovely idea. I think she had the basket like actually on the bed, which is a nice idea too as well. But I thought I'll just put the basket on the little side table right here. I think it looks fine right there, and just to kind of peek through. But in here I just have some encouraging quotes type of books, spirituality books, just the purpose driven life. She likes to do word search puzzles, so I picked that up. And then behind here, I'm not going to show because it kind of gives away where we actually live, but we went to the visitor center in our city, and I picked up a couple books from there, and that just shows like different activities that are going on within this fall season. And in the very back here is just a little folder with a bunch of restaurants that are local to this area, and also different museums and different other little activities and places too as well. And this is the remote control to the fireplace. The only thing I want to add in here is like some little pencils and stuff for the word search. So that's there. But I would love to find some type of little vanity or makeup desk or something. Not really makeup desk, but maybe like a little desk so I can put bar stool underneath it. Not a bar stool, but a little cushion stool underneath it. I can act as a side table, but still can sit down and kind of get ready there and possibly have like a mirror in front of it, but that's neither here nor there. Or maybe I can get like a mirror that can hang on the back of the door. I don't know, but that's for another time. Here's a old cute shelf that you can probably get from Walmart and Target. I just put this little trash can right there, and I have a diffuser here, and I have mint going. It has such a fresh smell. This room just, it wasn't really smell all that fresh even after I cleaned it. So I have this diffuser going now, and I'll rinse it out and put some more oil in it when she arrives. But it has such a fresh scent to it, and as you saw when the lights were off, it has a really pretty glow. The closet, oh my gosh, it was such a hot mess. It's not all that much better. I think it's better now. Here's a full view of the closet. But we have so much stuff. But I cleared out a lot. I just did a huge Goodwill run. These clothes are actually hers already. She leaves stuff here sometimes. And those are her shoes and stuff. So I just put it in the back there. And then there's room to hang more stuff down there. I don't have a bunch of matchy towels. I know I probably should, but I don't. So I thought it'd be nice to keep the towels in the closet. I picked up this today at Target for like $10. Oh, it was great because it has a dirty laundry bin. So she can just throw her dirty clothes in here, throw her dirty towels in here, and we can easily wash them for her, and she can put her clothes. I couldn't find the little baskets that go inside here, but it's totally cool. She can easily put her clothes right in here, bath stuff right inside there, and she doesn't have to bend down to get anything. And that's some of the kids' clothes, and these are old comforters that we like to use when guests are here too as well, like when they're cold or what have you. But oh, the little string came down, but it just hooks like that. So that's the guest closet over there. Fireplace, I actually got that from Walmart years ago when we had a smaller living room, and it was really nice. It was very cozy, and it actually comes with feet, so it can sit down against the wall. You can kind of put a mantle around it, and that's really cool. It's very modern looking, which I like. Because we don't really have a very traditional looking homes. I think the other fireplace wouldn't look right, but this is really nice. We have it on the wall. It has a nice glow. The flickering lights could change. You can put different kind of rocks in here, but I like the white rocks. I think it looks nice in here. You can walk all the way around, which is nice. Another little cute shelf I had laying around. And in here, I just have a basket, and we have a wireless charger here. Little random clay piece I made for visual interest. Alexa's in here. We have Alexa in every room of the house. Alexa, stop listening.
Sorry.
Alexa, stop listening. That way people can play music in their rooms, and you can actually talk to people, which is kind of cool. I have a teapot here that came from World Market. I love really unique looking things. It has like a boho vibe, which I really love. I wish I can add more greenery to this room. Like some hanging plants I think will be really cool to have hanging down. But anywho, this Hawaiian salt lamp came from some shop in Charlotte. I can't remember where. And this was a gift. I love little teapots and teacups. So I can put some hot water in her tea bag here in the mornings, and she can fix her some tea. The bedding, like I said, came from At Home. The bed from Ashley's Furniture. That's from Walmart. It's so funny. I don't remember the name of the paint because the whole house is painted the same color. But my aunt's house is painted the same color. So my other aunt. It's so funny. Our family, we have like the same type of taste. So like when you go to each other's houses, you see the same paint colors in all of our homes. And you see the same type of furniture. It's hilarious to me how we have very similar tastes. But this is the last pan view. She actually gave this to us. And then I don't know where Ken got. I think he got these from Lowe's. These were not the original that came with the builder grade of the house, but he put those in. It looked a lot nicer. Inside, him and his dad put those in. I think the rug just adds some color to the floor. And I'll turn the lights off. You can see what the lights look like off. As you can see, this has a nice glow. So especially since she's older, I think it'll be great because when she gets out of bed, it's still dark in here, but she can kind of see where to walk out. And if she wants to read a book or do a word search puzzle, she can just turn the light on and she can kind of move that around and not feel like she has to have the big light. So that is the room. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got inspired to clean up your guest room without having to really spend any money. Like I said, I only spent about $10, and that was on that hanging shelf in there. We don't have space to put a dresser, so I probably won't be buying a dresser. But, you know, those cute shelves that are in this closet is a great option to have instead of an actual dresser, in my opinion. I think this works out a lot better for small rooms. So I will chat with you guys later and have a wonderful day. Bye.